She packs that map by hand, coffee in a dandy can, miles on the dashboard dust. She don't need much to trust. Back roads been like wire, old tires sing desire. Every town she passes through leaves a little shade on blue. In the day goes out past the county sign. She rolls that window down, lets the whole world on.
Thank you all for watching this, and this is my DIY way of converting my Buick LeSabre. It was a 2000, and I took this all the way to California and back, and I will show you in the videos of my pop-up shower tent that I use for a bathroom / shower. And then in the trunk was all my tools and my seasonal stuff and extra spare parts. And thank you all for... You will see where I am sitting up and I have a blue necklace on. This is just showing you that I could be in my bed and sit up straight. But also too, that necklace was something that I was learning on this trip, how to work with jewelry. And I was doing that with a friend of mine. Also too, I learned how to do stained glass on this trip, beadworking. It was really an amazing trip for me. And going back to my shower and bathroom, I just had a 3-gallon bucket that I got from Menards for my toilet. Nothing fancy.
Hi everyone, this is Susie with Run Around Susie. I just wanted to give you a brief overview on my channel. I am from Michigan. I do not like the cold, the snow, so I decided to go on vacation from January till March when the snow was the worst in Michigan. And I did it on $400 a month. My biggest expenses was food and gas, majorly gas. Every state is different pricing. Some is cheaper and some is really expensive. So I tried, and everywhere I went, to find cheap things to do. And I made a bunch of videos to show other people how to do that. Everywhere I stayed for free. There's BML land, there's state parks like here in Kansas. I'm here. I'm heading back to Michigan, so this is kind of a pass through. But I made my car into a camper, which looks really cluttered right now because it's going into drive mode. But this is my bed. My bed goes from my back seat to my front seat to my dash. I took my front seat out and my back seat out. I have, well, that's my closet. Oh, I locked it. I just did another video on where I'm staying, so make sure you check that out. But this is my clothes. Let's see, this is my clothes drawer. And then over here, I have 3 drawers, which have all my cooking supplies, all some of my food. But, and then I made curtains. Let's see, let me pull out one of my curtains. So I made curtains. Now this is reflector stuff. You can buy this at any Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards. It's really thin. And then I put black material on that. So if I stayed at a Walmart, I could put the black out. Nobody would see me, nothing. Now when I was camping on BML land, I had the reflectors out to reflect the heat because it got hot. And then this is my bed. It's just one of them older lounge chairs. So you can kind of see. And then I insulated. So, and then here's a tub for food. I have shoes. I have to switch out shoes depending on if I'm hiking or whatever. I have down under here, I have some extra clothes for if I need some extra warmer clothes. I have one of them hospital beds, which this is a mess, so But anyways, I have like a hospital bed. I have a chair, my cooking stove. When I go back to Michigan, I'm going to need my winter boots probably because it'll be nice and muddy. This is my shower mat. I do have a shower tent with a shower. So I'll go more in detail with that later. I just wanted to welcome you to my channel and just let you know I am doing these videos to show you that you can go on vacation. You can travel for cheap. $400 a month is what I traveled on every month. I didn't do very expensive things, but I went through caverns, I went to White Sands. Check out all the videos. You can see where I went and how I did it for cheaper. Anyways, I took 1.5 years to prepare for this. So
where the pines lean low, boots by the doorway road. Rain on the roof at night, still wakes where the grinning light. And the sky gets big when the pavement fades away. She hums to the dark, then she drives into the day. Travel around Tuesday, living in a van like a wildflower. Travel around Tuesday, free on the road for hours. Travel around Tuesday, every turn feels new. Travel around Tuesday, she belongs to the view. No fence can hold her name, no clock can keep the flame. She chased that open bend, then starts all over again. Travel around Tuesday, living in a van, wildflowers. Travel around Tuesday, free on the road for hours. Travel around Tuesday, every turn feels new. Travel around Tuesday, she belongs to the view. She packs that map by hand, coffee in a dandy can, miles on the dashboard dust. She don't need much to trust. Back roads been like wire, old tires sing desire. Every town she passes through leaves a little shade on blue. And the day goes out past the county sign. She rolls that window down, lets the whole world unwind. Travel around Tuesday, living in a van like a wildflower. Travel around Tuesday, free on the road for hours. Travel around Tuesday, every turn feels new. Travel around Tuesday, she belongs to the view.
and then I turned in what I had into a camper. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe. And if you want to see some more, look through my channel. This is Run Around Susie G. And I plan on posting a lot more videos. So welcome and enjoy your stay here. Bye.